Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make toffee in paper. First, let's gather our essential ingredients, including 2 sticks of unsalted butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/4 cup of water. Also, have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt ready. Prepare your baking sheet by lining it with parchment paper or a silicone mat. Ensure your heavy-bottomed saucepan and candy thermometer are clean and ready to use. Now, combine the 2 sticks of butter, 1 cup of sugar, and 1/4 cup of water in your heavy-bottomed saucepan. Place it over medium heat. Stir this mixture constantly until the sugar completely dissolves and it begins to boil. Once boiling, insert your candy thermometer and stop stirring. Continue cooking until the mixture reaches precisely 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. As soon as your toffee mixture hits 300 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove the saucepan from the heat. Quickly stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavor. Be careful, as the mixture is very hot. Promptly pour the molten toffee onto your prepared baking sheet. Use an offset spatula to spread it evenly to a thickness of about 1/4 inch. Now comes the waiting game. Allow your freshly poured toffee to cool completely at room temperature. This usually takes at least 1 hour, or until it is completely firm and brittle. Once hardened, you can easily break the toffee into irregular, bite-sized pieces. Store your delicious homemade toffee in an airtight container to maintain its crispness. Enjoy this delightful treat, perfect for sharing or savoring yourself.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.